Hi, my name is Cynthia Butler, and I recently decided to become an entrepreneur. After deciding that I wanted to go into the hair business, I really didn't know which way to go or where to get information from or how to even begin. So, a few days after I decided do a hair business, I came across a an advertisement on Facebook for Wealthy Hair. And I was like, well, maybe this could be something that can help me. And then I looked at it and oh, they have a webinar, but the webinar was going to start in less than an hour. But the good thing about it was it still gave me the option to sign up. So I listened to Julia on the webinar, and before the webinar was over, I knew that Wealthy Hair was going to be the way for me to go. So I signed up, and instant Wealthy Hair's team contacted me designing my website. Now they say that it'll take 1 to 3 weeks, but it only took mine 1 week. They give you options. They help you in any way that they can. There's no way for you to join Wealthy Hair and not be successful.